Hey everybody, this is a 2000 model Acura Integra. We're gonna replace the valve cover gasket, and we're gonna go ahead and replace all 4 spark plugs. The reason why I'm changing this is right down in the spark plug tubes you have oil in there. So these ignition coils were covered in oil. The reason for that to happen, it's going to be these spark plug tube seals. This is supposed to keep the oil away from the spark plug tube. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. Looks like they already replaced the gasket, but they didn't bother to replace the tube seals, because those tube seals were kind of on there tight. Well, anyways, I went ahead and I got the new valve cover gasket. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to have some bolts right here, 1 bolt here, 2 bolts. They're all 10mm bolts, very easy. You go ahead and disconnect this hose. You remove the PCV valve right there. You're gonna have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 10mm bolts. You go ahead and remove all of your ignition coil wires. And then after you remove those 10mm bolts, you go ahead and use a rubber mallet. Just tap it a little bit, and then you can go ahead and gently pry it on this area right here, and everything will be good. Everything will come out quite easily, especially if the valve cover gasket has been done before. This is a 2000 model with 145,000 miles, so they definitely did it before. Timing belt has been replaced, looks like it, so you can see this is a very good opportunity to inspect the timing belt, because it's going to be removed anyways. And there you go. And then we're also going to be replacing the spark plugs. Always replace Denso or NGK spark plugs for any Asian vehicles. And be sure to clean all the surface points, and always where these areas right here where it's kind of like a turn, you go ahead and apply silicone sealant, so that way you're going to be sure you're not going to have any oil leak. Very simple, easy to do. Catch you guys later.